This is the dirtiest bus we've ever taken in. Today, it leaves spotless. Precision pressure splits years of buildup in seconds. Active foam locks onto contamination, so the rinse can erase it. Sensor-guided scrubbing hits every contour with controlled force. Everything is contained, filtered, and processed. No mess escapes. One pass, a complete visual reset. Contaminants go straight into separation, cleaning with control. Digital mapping marks every high-risk area before we go deeper. Laser scanning confirms where buildup is thickest. Underneath is where the real contamination hides. Heat and chemistry break the bond without damaging the metal. Automation keeps distance, angle, and flow perfectly consistent. Targeted pre-treatment loosens what water alone can't touch. Watch the foam change, proof it's lifting contamination. And now one clean sweep to reveal the finish. Optical clarity restored. No streaks, no haze. Precision jets reach the spaces brushes can't. Brake dust neutralized with controlled chemistry. Robotic pressure control delivers a perfect, uniform scrub. From matte grime to clean gloss, instantly visible. We extract debris first, so it doesn't get driven deeper. Airflow is controlled, and everything is captured. Gentle contact tools preserve delicate surfaces. Now the system takes over, full tunnel precision. Inspection lighting exposes what normal light hides. Seams and edges get hand-finished, no shortcuts. Organic growth is treated, timed, and safely removed. Organic growth is treated, timed, and safely removed. Inside is a different battle: dust, bacteria, and stains. Air filtration goes on first. Cleaning starts with clean air. Spray, agitate, extract, one controlled cycle. Delicate controls get precision cleaning. No flooding, no damage. This is the clarity we're chasing. Perfect reflections. Stains removed, fabric restored. High-touch areas are sanitized with electrostatic coverage. Microscopic grit is removed to restore true gloss. Repetition is consistency, automation makes it flawless. The floor gets industrial torque and measured chemistry. Polishing refines the finish, smooth, even, professional. The floor gets industrial torque and measured chemistry. Residue off, shine on. Infrared curing locks in protection, fast and controlled. Protection is applied with mapped, uniform coverage. Final details matter: clean, dry, and factory fresh. Deionized water leaves nothing behind, just perfection. From extreme contamination to pristine restoration, mission complete. Filtered air clears every last bead, no spots, no streaks. Edges and emblems get precision cleaning, down to the millimeter. Inside, every surface reads clean, because it is clean. Air pathways are cleaned and treated. Fresh air starts here. Final underbody rinse confirms total removal. Detailing removes grime you can't see until the light reveals it. Odors are neutralized safely, without masking scents. The cockpit gets a clean, matte finish, no greasy shine.
We don't just clean it, we prove it.
No film, no debris, just clean lines. Every touchpoint is reset for daily use. Function matters too. Clean movement, clean finish. Hydrophobic glass performance, clear vision in any weather. Every stage is verified and logged. Now it looks brand new, because the surface is truly restored. Even the lenses get clarity, small details, big finish. A clean floor tells the truth, no residue left behind. Air knives dry the surface evenly, no towel marks. Protection goes where it belongs, clean coverage, clean edges. Restored, sanitized, and ready to return to the road. This isn't dirt, it's compacted layers. Everything is measured: pressure, heat, and chemistry. First step, soak and soften the outer shell. Runoff is captured and filtered immediately. The foam lifts what's bonded to the paint. Clean lines appear instantly under the brush. Crisp edges, no overspray, no residue. A full system reset, outside, inside, and underneath. The clean test is simple, nothing transfers. Let's rewind, this is how it came in. Professional bay, controlled workflow, zero guesswork. The system locks onto the vehicle with laser alignment. Gravity does its part, contamination starts releasing. Next, active foam, applied like a blanket. Soft contact, controlled force, scrub without damage. Underbody degreasing starts with heat and precision. Dry, polished, flawless, this is the final look. Years of road film break apart on contact. And it releases clean water, reveals clean panels. Handwork finishes what machines can't reach. Organic growth is treated and timed for safe removal. This is the turning point. Dirty becomes pristine. Wheels go from brake dust to polished clarity.